we've travelled to GW Martin to review their latest investment, the Star SR38 Type B. Now, in your opinion, what were their considerations when purchasing this machine?
Well, they need a machine that can do like large and small volumes, but the other key factor for these guys was what bar diameter it can go up to, so they can take work off some of the fixed heads to put onto this machine to make the parts faster.
So can you give me any examples of the parts that they're manufacturing on this machine and how they are utilising the 42mm capacity and how it's benefiting them?
Yeah, well, one of the big features is, like I said, you can run 42mm bar, but because all the tools are so much closer to the job than you would have on a fixed head, it means our idle times are a lot shorter, so we can make the parts a lot quicker.
And can you kind of give me an indication how you use it without guide bush and with guide bush?
So guide bush is when you're doing long parts, so you need a stability on the part. When you go to non-guide bush mode, it's almost like a fixed head. The spindle still moves in and out, but it means you can get more parts per your bar because your remnant's a lot shorter.
So it's another saving there. Now, how stable is this machine? I mean, it's a large machine, but when you start kind of saying, it's work, you're taking work off the fixed head machines, it's obviously faster, but how stable is it?
Well, I'd say traditionally you look at a sliding head being quite a small machine in comparison to a fixed head, but with this one, it's weighing in at 4.5 tons, so it's quite a lot of weight. It's thick webbing in the casting as well, making it very rigid.
Now, when you machining parts of 42mm diameter, could you machine prismatic parts from the bar?
Absolutely, yeah. We've got customers who use these kind of machines for like just doing milling work, almost like a bar-fed mill.
Now, you have the 38, you also have it in Type A. Can you explain the difference of the Type B?
Yeah, difference between Type A has got a B axis, but you have to manually set it. The Type B is full CNC controlled, so you can do a lot of different angles in a program without having to stop the machine to reset the angle.
So can the B axis service the main and the second spindle? And can you give examples of some of the applications you would use it for?
Yeah, it can run on both spindles, and you can use it for angled holes, angled milled features, all sorts of features that you wouldn't normally be able to do.
And what about the milling functionality on this machine?
Yeah, you've got a lot of live tools on this machine, so you've got the B axis, you've got 6 cross working tools on the main spindle, you can add extra tool positions on there. You've got 8 tool positions on the back for the sub spindle where they're all live positions, so a lot of milling capability.
Now, they are using this machine for medium volume work and high volume work, so how has it improved their unmanned running for the medium volume work?
Okay, it's just more down to ease of manufacture, so once you've got the job set, you can walk away and let the machine run.
And has it reduced the operations from how they used to make the parts?
Yeah, on some jobs they'd have to put the job from one part of the machine to another. So having all these extra tools and capabilities of this machine means it's all done in one hit.
And from a strategic perspective, they're looking to improve profitability. Do you believe that this machine is actually improving profitability here at GW Martin and making them more competitive?
Yeah, it's making the parts faster than how it was done before and in less operations.